Hey Jazz, this is Raymond here at JW Custom Hats. Thank you for buying your spinning insert. We have it right here. And so I'm going to show you how it is that we need to install this onto the table. So when we send this to you, you'll receive a couple of parts. You'll receive, first of all, our template. And what you'll do is, this is really important for being able to drill out every single hole that you have. We have 5/16 diameter holes, what we're going to be drilling out, and you have 6 of those. Okay, and then we have this hole for the hole saw that we're going to be using as well. You need to at least be 1 inch to be able to accommodate for the spindle shaft that will be coming up through the center of this. Okay, so I'll show you how we're going to be drilling that out right now. Okay, so went ahead and got the 5/16 on there. As a note for measurements, for our particular table that we make, so my set measurement is I want to make sure I'm not going to be hitting the metal frame that's underneath it, and so I accommodated that, and then also accommodated anything else that would be an obstruction. So you want to be aware of that for your table. If there's any obstructions or any like support beams or anything in your own table that you need to be aware of, so that way you can avoid that, because you want a clear open space. So let me show you right below the table. So I have this clear open space right here, and this is where it's going to be sitting. I have this frame, so that's my main support beam. So I made sure that for us, the table is going to just sit right behind that support beam, so it'll be a really strong area for that spinning insert to sit on. Okay, we'll go ahead and get these drilled out now. We're just going right into the center. Again, right in the center. And now the battery, so let me go grab a different battery really quick. In the meantime, while I'm setting that up, I'll show you the parts that we have. So you will be receiving the bag of screws and washers. Also, there's some motor brushes if you ever need to replace those. You'll be receiving the 10-inch pulley, and then here's the shaft, and then you have the plate, and then also you have your band, of course. And then on our plate, this is set up so that will fit. Normally, like you'll have a shaft that's 3/4 inches for a crown iron, so this is that same measurement of shaft, 3/4 inches, and then we have these 2 pinholes for each of your blocks to be able to make sure that they stay in place. Okay, and then of course you have your full unit right here, and then we'll be placing your shaft in between and through these holes. Here's all the aligning holes for the bolts themselves. Oh, it's just right at the end of it. Okay, switching off a bit. And that battery's dead too. So we'll just go ahead and leave it at that. You can see what we're going to be doing, so we'll go ahead and just use the template. Make sure you set it properly so that way you're placing it into your table correctly, and then go ahead and drill out the holes that's on the template after you've already taped down the template, and then you'll be set to go, and we'll go to the next step.